All right guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going into Sam's Club for the first time. Never been in there, but I definitely wanted to check out to see the differences between Sam's and Costco as far as hygiene products. So let's get in and let's go into Sam's. Okay, so it looks like they have these Venus sensitive disposable shavers. Right now they're on sale. It's like an instant saving for $14.98. So that seems like a good deal. Let me see what else. You need toothbrushes. It looks like they have toothpaste, an 8-count for Colgate for $10.98. Anything in yellow is basically a deal. So we're going to be looking at whatever deals they have. So give me 1 second. Let's go find some stuff. Okay, not on sale right now, but still a good deal. A 3-pack of Skintimate for $8.84. Now these are on sale. So this is, it looks like a 16-count of razors. That's on sale right now for $11.98 from Soleil. Let's see what else. It looks like they have the Unscented regular tampons for $13.98. They have these up here from Venus. They're $24.98. They seem like they're instant savings right now. They also have the Tampax Radiant. These are on sale right now for $14.98. They also have Always at the very top, $12.18. It looks like it's a 72 pack. And then at the bottom, it looks like Unscented tampon. Well, Tampax. And then at the bottom here, we got Always for $13.68. On sale right now, instant savings, save $2 off. And then they have the regular Always. Looks like they have a lot of clearance. Maybe they're clearing stuff out. Seems like they're clearing stuff out for who knows what, but there's, if you need some pads or tampons, it's like a mega sale on that stuff. So let's go see what they got as far as hygiene care. This is a good deal right now. This is on sale for $7.48. If you have no preference, aluminum or what, this is instant savings for $7.48 right now. Now, I know for sure they don't sell this in Costco, but this is a 2-pack. It's $15.48. I know in TJ Maxx you can get a big bottle. So I guess if you need it, you can definitely get it from Sam's. Okay, so this is a good deal. If you like herbal essence, I like their mango one. But I have enough, so I'm not going to get it here. But this is on instant savings for $7.98, so that's a good deal. And then at the bottom, they have the sulfate-free shampoo. So if you're looking for sulfate-free products, this is a good deal right here. Another good deal here, $7.98. This is for Pantene. They have the shampoo and the conditioner at the same price. So if you like that stuff, that's definitely a good deal for you. I know there's some of you folks who love Aussie. This is Aussie Melting Miracle. Right now it's on instant savings for $7.87. So there you go. Now this is a good deal to me. I actually have the coconut cookie. Coconut cookie, if you like gourmand scents, is awesome. But this is a 3-pack, so you can smell like kitten candy, coconut cookie, or berry smoothie. I don't really care if it's kids, but they smell so good. Okay, so this is a crazy deal right now. This is $4.98. That looks like you get $2 off, so $4.98. This is a huge 40-ounce bottle of Garnier shampoo and conditioner, but I wanted to show you guys they actually have a 16-count of Olay body bars if you like that. That's an instant savings too. It looks like it's on sale. And then they also have Olay body wash on instant savings for $12.88. So yeah, it looks like right now there's a huge deal on hygiene products. Now this right here is $16.98 right now. If you have a Costco club, this is on sale for $4 off, so it's cheaper for that in that case to get it. But if you only have a Sam's Club card, you got no choice but to get it from here. And also, if you need the body bars, $17.98. It looks like that's a 16 pack. And then I think that's it. Let me see. I'm just gonna check one more thing as far as CeraVe. Looks like CeraVe here is $14.98. I know they sell CeraVe or Cetaphil in Costco. I don't know how much it is in Costco, but hold on. No way. This right now, guys. Oh my gosh. Hurry up and go get it. Curl Enhancing Smoothie. $5.81. I'm actually gonna buy 2. This smells the bomb. So yeah, if you have a Sam's Club, definitely go run, because these are way cheap right now. On my way out, I'm seeing a lot of like Olays and things like that. You guys can take a pause real quick because I'm gonna head out. I have to go to Costco also, but looks like they have some, you know, Olays and the Neutrogena wipes, and some things are on sale, some things are not. So definitely take a look. But yeah, that's everything I got, so we're gonna head out at this point. Have a good day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.